50 most common antonyms. Boy, girl, man, woman, husband, wife, king, queen, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, teacher, student, leader, follower, master, servant, winner, loser, success, defeat, guest, host, presence, absence, entrance, exit, hero, villain, land, sea, combine, separate, create, destroy, deep, shallow, demand, supply, domestic, foreign, dry, wet, early, late, empty, filled, far, near, famous, unknown, accept, reject, ancient, modern, asleep, awake, attack, defend, bold, timid, cheap, expensive, river, desert, city, village, morning, evening, past, future, beginning, conclusion, war, peace, male, female, truth, falsehood, majority, minority, big, small, hot, cold, good, bad, fast, slow, easy, difficult, happy, sad, rich, poor, beautiful, ugly, high, low,